today we are going to go to the Canal Rocks and to Injured Up Natural Spa. So we've been to both of them before, but we quite liked them, and so we thought we'd do them again. Done at Canal Rocks. We had a bit of fun just looking around the rocks and having a little play in the water. Now we're going to Bustleton because we need to go and get Kiara a pair of sandals because she's managed to lose 2 pairs, and then we're going to go ahead and have a swim at the jetty. We may still go to Injured Up Natural Spa, but yeah, we'll just see how much we can fit into the day. But yeah, it should be fun.
That's us finished at the jetty, and we just had something to eat, and now we are going back to get ready for Christmas tomorrow.
So I found this bug that ants were eating. I don't know what it is. If you guys know what it is, comment down below, but we don't know what it is. I called him the Titanic because it might be the last of its kind. And no one else is building a Titanic, right? Oh, I found him. Oh, here he is.
I'll get him up on the jandal.
Put him on the jandal and then meet me on the bench. So we're having supper. It's a very small bug. It's 100% edible. And we're going to try it. We don't know if it's edible, but we're not eating it. Just showing you it. Guys, flip around. I want to show the viewers how creepy it is. Crab. It's crab. Ooh. Ooh.
I think I might have to move him to a better place.
Okay.
Press that button. Keep going.
Go to come get some marshmallows, some chocolate, some more marshmallow, some more chocolate. And then that's about what you want it to be.
Okay.
Shiny side inside, and we're going to wrap it up. I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to put it on the barbecue, and it's going to make it nice and hot. That looks yum.
Is my cooked right?
Yes, perfect. You want a spoon, Summer?
I don't think Scarlett has any marshmallows left.
No, that's mine. You don't have any marshmallows. Well, some marshmallows. My marshmallow is melted.